Hi, I'm Lax here, Course Director for BA Honours Business Management at LCCA. BA Honours Business Management is a 4 year course with foundation and a 3 year course without foundation, where we teach a lot of generic business modules, which comprises of units such as marketing and finance and entrepreneurship skills that we try and embed in our students. The main feature about this course is that we try and encourage students who have got that entrepreneurial skills and mindset to be able to use the modern digital technologies to be able to prosper and thrive in today's business world. We try and encourage our students to be experiential, where we encourage them to be involved in group activities, group projects, and some experiential workshops, which embed them with necessary skills such as collaborative skills, time management, and team working skills that are crucial in today's fierce world. We also have features of students blending their learning, where they get a 1 day face-to-face at the campus, as well as they have got some learning materials online where they can engage themselves as part of their online learning. Interesting aspect about LCCA and business management is that we encourage students to be enterprising, take risk where possible, so they can start their own startup or any businesses, or acquire those skills to be able to go to mid-level managerial positions once they complete the qualifications. We also have opportunities for our students to be involved and to get that work experience where possible in later part of the course. The graduates, after completing the course, normally goes to mid-level positions, managerial positions such as corporate finance and marketing managers, mid-managers and officers. They also usually are able to start their own businesses of their own. Example of what our learners learn at the course is that they are able to be involved in projects which require live interactive sessions, and for example, some of our students are able to build their own marketing brand and own websites which they can launch in some sessions, as well as some experiential workshops which actually allow them to develop some unique products and unique business protocols that they can actually launch after coming out from this course.